So what we're preparing here today is a back bacon and brie sandwich. So we start off here with a ciabatta bun. From here we have Irving's unsmoked, dry cured back bacon. And we use a double cream French brie. And then here we also have cucumber and roasted apple salad. So you got the brie, we just give a few slices, cut nice and thick. And we'll get our bacon on. And while we're doing that, we'll toast our bun.
We use a ciabatta bread. It's a water bread, so the reason we toast it just kind of releases a bit of the moisture in it, so it just makes for a better sandwich.
So we're just looking to brown it up a little bit. So now we just put her in a little bit of a stack here. Add a good bit of our apple and cucumber salad on there. Our brie cheese. We add a little bit of water for just a little bit of moisture and so it steams. And that's it, our back bacon and brie sandwich.